Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, I tell you what guys, this might be the slimmest knife I have had on the channel for sure. I mean, this guy even kind of makes the CEO look a little chunky. And I love the name. It is perfectly named. It's the CJRB Lanky because it is definitely slim and lanky. Holy cow. So what does the Lanky give us? Well, you've got an aluminum handle. You have a top-mounted pocket clip, which looks as though it's easily reversible. So I am going to say it is reversible. Absolutely. Look, I don't know why you couldn't be able to. You've got a very long, slender handle for sure. You've got single thumb stud for deployment, and you also have this little guy, this little top flipper, I guess more than front flipper. Call it whatever you want. I will say right off the bat, if that was gone, this would be like super, super cool. Just because of how thin and sleek it is. I mean, you want to talk about gentleman. I mean, it almost looks like a pen in the pocket. We'll kind of look at it. You could wear it, you know, almost like in a shirt pocket or something, and people would hardly ever know that it was a knife. But zoom out a little bit. Like I said, single thumb stud. Jump it out there. I mean, look at this thing. Look how skinny it is. Get it out of my hand. It is super, super skinny. Like I said, perfectly named. Now, this is a Jake Diaz design. So, Jake, you designed it. I hope you named it because, I mean, you nailed it. I mean, really. So, you've got a PVD-coated RPM9 blade. There's all your info right there. Happy as Larry. Now, I don't know what happy as Larry means. If you guys do, please throw it down in the comments. I am not sure what that means, but it is just so super, super skinny. You've got a nice, well, your thumb stud is in the cutting path a little bit. I mean, you can take it off now. Oh, it might be reversible. It didn't say it was, so it very well could be. Lefties, you might have to give it a shot. I haven't tried it. Like I said, I don't try not to alter these knives. I probably should have. Like with the pocket clip, yeah, I don't see why you can't flip that around. There's nothing keeping you from flipping that around. The thumb stud, though, well, let's see. Eesh. How tight does it sit on this? No. See, we're kind of cut down. Yeah, no. I don't think it's going to fit. It's right hand only. Yeah. Right hand only. Okay. So, okay, what does this guy give us as far as overall length? I mean, when it's really stretched out, it looks longer. I mean, it's an 8-inch knife, so, I mean, it's got plenty of length. But it just really looks, I don't know. To me, it just looks longer than that. I was kind of surprised when it was 8 inches. And, of course, I'm pretty much getting the top of that screw in. If I just get the knife, yeah, it's still coming in right at 8 inches, about 4.5 on the handle, 3.5 on that blade. And then grip length, see as I'm gripping it, you're coming in pretty much 3.5, a little over, just a little over. I might have, yeah, I got just a little bit peeking out there. So, overall, 3.5, and I mean, wow, well, I mean, the bug out is obviously, there you go. That's what it looks like. It makes the bug out look girthy. Holy cow. And I don't know what it makes. It just makes the PM2 look monstrous, I guess. Wow. Okay. Fair enough. Liner lock going on there. Let's get a weight on it. 1.3 ounces. Holy smokes. 37 grams. So yeah, I mean, in the pocket, I mean, it's definitely going to tuck away in your pocket. I mean, you can, if you're looking to save space in your pocket, the Lanky is definitely going to, that's getting down there. But I mean, it does. It looks just like a pen. If you had this in a shirt pocket, even like a suit pocket, you know, it looks like a pen. There's nothing, it doesn't give you hardly any of a, you know, profile in your pocket or anything like that. So, overall, definitely the skinniest knife I've had. I can't think of anything. Like I said, it makes the CEO look big, really. It's that slender. And make sure to go check out the cut test down below just to see how it performed. If you want to see what it can do, I mean, that 3.5-inch blade, okay, pretty slender and slim as well. Crazy. I mean, so when I looked up pricing on this, it said it was normally $66. When I looked, I found it for $50. You know, as always, I'll try to find, you know, a good link for you guys if you want to check it out further. Try to find you a little bit lower price if possible, but yeah, it said $50, normally $66. So, but what do you think? Let me know down in the comments, guys. Easily the skinniest knife I've had on the channel. So let me know if you have seen one that might be skinnier. I might have to check it out. But huge shout out to CJRB for sending out the Lanky to check out. Like I said, Jake, awesome design, great name, love it. Very, very cool. And thank you guys, as always, for swinging by to check it out with me. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, we'll talk later, guys. Bye-bye.